Hello, amazing people. Welcome to Oztech. Today, I have an interesting product for you. This is the Dbrand Grip Case with a Carnage Skin. Now, I know what you're thinking, another iPhone case? But yes, Dbrand is just not another company. They are known for their incredible designs, premium materials, and that signature minimalistic yet rugged aesthetic. I am a big fan of Dbrand skins. That's why I keep purchasing them and I keep them on a rotation basis on my devices. I picked this one up directly from the Dbrand official website. I got this case on a discount for around $50, a bit premium price tag. So the big question is it worth it? Let's find out. So time for unboxing. First things first, let's talk about the packaging. Dbrand always delivers here. It's sleek, it's clean, it immediately screams quality. No unnecessary plastic, just a real well designed box. So let me go ahead and open the box. So this is how the box will show. And if you want to know about installing the skin on the case, you can go over this part on their website. So there it is. Look at that. Even the interior packaging is thoughtfully done. It has the grip case and the Carnage Skin. So let me take the case out of the box. It's pretty simple. And here it is, the Dbrand Grip Case for the iPhone 17 Pro. Wow, the case has a nice and simple look. The first impression is that it looks solid. It feels substantial in the hand, which is exactly what you want from a case like this. Okay, let's get closer look at the details. Dbrand is famous for its material choices and this is no exception. This feels like a really durable case. It has a nice textured grip on the sides. This is very crucial for preventing drops and slipping out of your hands. The camera bump protection looks really well integrated with the case. Lifting the lenses of any flat surface and look at the button covers. They are tactile and seem like they will provide a satisfying click. The other best part is that the camera button is also covered, if you notice it out here. The cutouts for the charging case is great. The charging port and speakers are precise as expected, no issues there. The back design is plain. There are not much patterns on this case except for the grip branding. It's not overly flashy, but it looks premium and protective. So I will be installing the Carnage Skin on this case and then show you all how the case looks. One thing I love about Dbrand is their attention to detail. Even the inside of the case is well designed and prevents scratches. So let's see. Yep, there is a soft material, feels good. Alright, enough admiring from outside. Let's get the iPhone 17 Pro in here and see how it fits. I have been using the Dbrand tank case on my device since the last couple of days. So now it's time to change the case. Okay, that was a satisfying snap. It went in smoothly, but it feels incredibly snug. There is no looseness, no creaking. It feels like this case was molded specifically for this phone, which of course it was. Look at that, the phone feels secure in the hand and the case does not add that much bulk. It feels excessively large. It offers good protection, but Dbrand has managed to keep it from feeling like a brick. The ergonomics was surprisingly good. Now let's test the functionality of the case. How are those buttons? So let me click on the volume buttons. Yep, the power button and the volume rockers are super clicky and responsive. You get a tactile feedback which is sometimes lost in bulky cases. The camera button also works well. The lip around the screen is substantial enough to protect it when placed face down. See it facing down, it fits very well. Same for the camera and the raised edges, it's generous. Wireless charging is also available. So let us just test the wireless charging. So let me connect the wireless charger to the cable. Yes, there you can see the wireless charging works. The case is MagSafe compatible. Let's test this with the MagSafe charger. So I have this MagSafe charger with me. So let me just place it on the back of the case. The magnets are really strong. It holds the charger well. Let's see the strength of the magnets with some kind of shakage. See, I've been shaking this device very hard, but the MagSafe charger does not move out of its place. And the charging is also happening on the device. The grip on the sides is fantastic. It feels much more secure in my hand now, reducing the chances of any accidental drop. The texture is also really well maintained. Dbrand offer user specific materials for grip and shock absorption. This case feels incredibly durable and has a matte finish that doesn't attract fingerprints, which is a big plus. I will now pause the video and install the Carnage Skin on this case because it's very difficult to install the skin when behind the camera. So hold on, I will be back. Welcome back. I just completed installing the Carnage Skin on the grip case. My god, this has changed the whole look of the device. The device looks unique and great. This has now become the favorite case on my iPhone. See, it really looks good on the device. So after this initial boxing and the hands-on, what are my first impressions of this case? Let's break down the pros and cons. First, I will go over the pros of this case. It has unbeatable protection. This case feels incredibly robust. It's built well. Even I have a screen protector on the device and it fits properly on the device. The build quality is premium. Dbrand's attention to detail, materials and finish are top notch. The case has an excellent grip. The texture sides make the phone much more secure in hand. Tactile buttons are very responsive and satisfying with button covers. It has a sleek Dbrand aesthetic. It offers good protection without looking overly bulky or cheap. It comes in a great package, a premium unboxing experience. It also has customized skins on their Dbrand website. So the Carnage Skin is great, but Dbrand also provides other skins as well. You can choose the ones that suits your taste. The cons of this case are that the price tag. It's definitely an investment. There are cheaper cases out there, but this case will give you the premium feel. While not excessive, it does add noticeable thickness and weight compared to a slim case. This might not be for everyone. So who should buy the Dbrand case for the iPhone 17 Pro? If you're someone who is in love to stand out in the crowd and look unique, then this case is an excellent choice. It is for the user who prioritizes maximum protection and understands the value of investing in a high quality accessory for their expensive phone. If you want the absolute slimmest, lightest case, this might not be for you, but if you want peace of mind, knowing your iPhone 17 Pro is shielded by one of the best, then the Dbrand Grip Case is definitely worth considering. Overall, I am really impressed with the Dbrand Grip Case. It delivers on its promise of serious protection with Dbrand signature style and quality. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Have you used Dbrand cases before, and what's your favorite? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It will really help me grow the channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Ask Tech for more tech reviews and unboxings. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.